Hi guys. So you know why I'm here, and today, guess what I'm making, y'all? That's right, another syrup video. So it's fall time and I just love fall because I'm able to really just do my thing when it comes to the syrups. And today I will be making a apple crisp inspired syrup. Yes, the one that your favorite coffee shop took off the menu. But they used to be my favorite all-time fall coffee drink, so I figured why not make it at home so that I can have my apple crisp macchiato latte whenever I want it. So let's make it. Okay, so first we have our apples. Put those in here. This is 2 apples that I cored and chopped up. So here we go. There we go. Then we have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And I did that because I wanted more of a caramely apple base. Got that. A 1/2 cup of apple juice. A 1/2 cup of regular water. Some cinnamon. Put as much or as little as you want. I like cinnamon, so I do a little bit more. And then a little bit of nutmeg. We're gonna turn it on, medium high. And I'm gonna let this combine, the sugars dissolve. And then once all that's dissolved, I'm gonna let it sit and cook for about 15 minutes to really cook down and get syrupy. So let's let it cook. I'm gonna let this cool and then I'm gonna strain it into my bottle. Okay guys, so here's my syrup. I'm gonna pour it into my bottle. Once it's done cooling, we're going to store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. All right, guys, and here it is. This is my apple crisp syrup. I'm going to let it completely cool down, and then I'm going to store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. So always remember, syrups are good for up to 2 weeks stored in the fridge. But yeah, so stay tuned to see what coffee I make.